Welcome to the Historically Accurate Cartoon Princess Dances. Today we're going to take a trip to Middle-earth for the dances of Middle-earth, and we have traveled to Rivendell today. And here in Rivendell we are going to learn what the elves would have danced in Lord of the Rings. We have picked a Basse dance, which is a low dance from the Middle Ages, to teach you today. It is La Dame, and we will take you on a dance adventure with the Elves of Rivendell. Our first step will be reverence. It will look like this. Our first step will be heel lifts looking outside straight and inside. It looks like this. Our second step is singles. It looks like this. Our third step is our Bernal, or our double forward. Here we go, and it looks like this. Our fourth step is reverence, and it looks like this. So that is La Dame, a Basse dance from the Middle Ages for our Middle-earth elves. This is a wonderful piece and a predecessor to the pavane that comes in the Renaissance period, and the perfect dance for the elves of Rivendell.